In this video, I'm going to explain you about the best countries you can target when it comes down to Google advertising for your dropshipping store. My name is Robin, and without further ado, let's dive right into my screen. So the strategy what I'm going to explain in this video is that the countries you can target, the most important things you need to know when it comes down to these countries, the audience, so what kind of things you need to know about the audience that you're targeting, what kind of payment methods do you need to install on your website to get the most profit possible, and of course bonus tips, what I see that is working for our agency clients when it comes down to making the most sales. So of course, the first and best country in Europe when it comes down to e-commerce is Netherlands. And the reason why is because in the Netherlands there is a high digital infrastructure, so people are used to buying things online a lot. So they are savvy online shoppers, which means that everything they do starts with an online conversion first when it comes down to buying products. So the market potential, in my opinion, and what I see working for our clients is very, very high market potential. The buying power is very high because people have lots of money to buy online, and also the ease of entry is very high. So this market is easy to enter because there is competition, of course, but there is also a lot more people that shopping online. So the competitors doesn't really matter too much. When it comes down to Google advertising, it's actually the first source and the go-to when it comes down to shopping online for the people. So they are always checking this kind of products on Google Ads first. They kind of compare prices and offers and then make a decision online to buy maybe from you, right? So, and the payment method that you need to implement is Ideal. Like 95% of the people in Holland are making use of Ideal as a payment system. And any bonus tip is that you can of course target a part of Belgium with your e-commerce store, because the Flemish part of Belgium, the people actually speak Dutch, so you can target them. But you need to know that you also need Bancontact as a second payment option together with Ideal for Netherlands. When it comes down to position number 2, we have of course Germany as the best country to target for Google Ads dropshipping. And this is due to the large volume of consumers there are in Germany. There are like 67 million people in Germany. So this is an awesome mark to start your targeting for your Google advertising for dropshipping. The market potential is very high. There are lots of people. The buying power is very high. People in Germany have actually more money to spend on e-commerce than Netherlands, for example, and the ease of entry is moderate. In Netherlands it's easier to enter because of the easy payment methods, and for Germany you need of course Klarna and PayPal. When it comes down to Germany, you need to realize that you need to have localized content. This means that if you have user-generated content or you speak with any language on your website, it needs to be checked by a native speaker, because people from Germany are very sensitive for their kind of language. And when it comes down to the payment methods for Germany, you need to implement PayPal and Klarna for there, and that covers a lot, and a small percentage also make use of credit cards in Germany. And a bonus tip for Germany, because credit card and Klarna are very sensitive for chargebacks, you need to have a good customer service in place to handle these chargebacks. And it's also very likely that if people are not satisfied for whatever reason, that you offer them a small refund on top of their product, and they don't need to return the product as well. And in this way you can avoid a lot of chargebacks for Germany. Second bonus tip actually for Germany is that you can go live in Austria as well, because these people speak German. So you can target them on your German website as well, which is super awesome to have even more people than just Germany have shopping from you, right? When it comes down to step number 3, which is the best country for Google Ads dropshipping, of course we don't need to forget France with 4 stars. France has 67 million residents, similar size like Germany, and these people are really likely to buy fashion, beauty products and home goods online. Amazon is pretty big for France, but it still means that if you have unique items and good content and best offers on your website, you can still dominate the Google Ads auction actually. The market potential, in my opinion, is very high. There are lots of people. The buying power is moderate. People in France have a little bit less money than in Germany, for example. So you can expect a little bit of a lower average order value. and the ease of entrance is very high, so it's easy to go to this country and launch your website there. In France is less competition than in Netherlands and Germany, for example, and you need to realize that French people actually are quite in a rush always, so you need to have a little bit of faster shipping to make customers in France satisfied. Otherwise you will be overloaded with customer questions in your customer service, right? The payment methods are mostly credit card and debit cards in France, so that makes it easy to just offer this payment methods. And the bonus tip what I can explain is that if you are, for example, dropshipping from China, you locate a small stock of your best-selling items so they can easily be shipped faster to France. This is highly suggested to avoid chargebacks for credit card in France and to make people more satisfied as they don't like waiting for their order. Country number 4 of the best-selling dropshipping countries to target, the United Kingdom, of course, cannot be forgotten. In my opinion, we give it 3 out of the 5 stars, and that means that UK is very big when it comes down to shopping online. They have around 65 million potential customers that you can target through your Google advertising, and their digital economy is very involved, so a lot of people are shopping online and the shipping is quite fast within a country. In our opinion, what we see from the clients is that the market potential is very high. There's high success rate when we launch people in the United Kingdom. The buying power is high, which means that people have lots of money to spend when it comes down to online shopping. And the ease of entrance is moderate. It's a little bit harder to get this country up and running, but there's still a good success rate. And the moderate ease of entry comes down to that the United Kingdom is part of the Big Five. So many international competitors are also targeting the United Kingdom as they are speaking English in there. So the only con here is that the advertising cost in the United Kingdom is slightly higher than the 3 other countries what I mentioned before. For the payment methods, it's mostly credit card and debit card as well, and we see that Klarna is evolving in this industry as well. And for the bonus tip is the scaling part. This is very big benefit of the United Kingdom, because once it's working and you collect data in the United Kingdom, you can reuse this data to go live, for example, in the United States, in Canada, in Australia, whatever. So we have many people that collect data in the United Kingdom first, and then as a second step, take other countries of the Big Five. So that brings the United Kingdom to place number 4 in this list. When we go to number 5 of the best countries you can target for dropshipping, of course we cannot forget Sweden. Like many Dutch dropshippers are targeting Sweden as well. There are less potential customers than the other countries what I mentioned previously, but the average order value is much higher because people have lots of money to spend. The market potential is moderate. There are not a lot of people to do big volume in Sweden, but still you have a high success rate because the buying power of the people is quite high and the ease of entry is moderate. It's quite easy to enter this country. You need to understand one thing about this audience, and they really care about durability and eco-friendly items, right? So if you know this, you can tweak your products and your messaging on your website to increase your conversion rate. The payment methods are mostly Klarna in Sweden, so make sure to have good customer service to avoid chargebacks here as well. And the bonus tip I can give for Sweden right here is to work as much as possible with batches, that you do eco-friendly shipping. People are also eager to pay a little bit extra if you compensate CO2, for example. So these are kind of important things you need to realize when it comes down to selling with your dropshipping store in Sweden. And then step number 6 for the best selling countries is Italy, of course, with 3 stars as well. Italy has less competition as all other countries what I previously mentioned, and they have a little bit less buying power, so you can expect a little bit of lower average order value. What I see from the clients that are scaling with our Google Ads service in Italy is that the market potential is moderate. Not everyone is successful in Italy yet, so we're working on that. The buying power is a little bit lower than all countries what I explained previously, and the ease of entry is quite high, so it's still easy to launch your website there, of course. with Shopify. Important to know about the audience in Italy, as I previously explained in Sweden, is that people in Italy really like aesthetic, high quality looks of the website, of the products as well. And it's important to realize that with the previous countries, you can increase your selling price a little bit, but in Italy, it's better to start with a slower selling price. The payment methods is also mostly a credit card in Italy as of for now. And the bonus tip, what I see are most of our clients doing, and based on our recommendation, is that in Italy you can, for example, target your pricing for your products a little bit lower and therefore increase it as soon as you have more data and find winning products. Because in this case, Google Ads can find potential customers much faster for a lower price, and then you can increase your price because the algorithm is optimized for generating sales for your website. And the last one in the list of the 7 best countries, on place number 7, is Spain with 2 stars. Spain has less competition than all other countries previously mentioned, and you can also expect a lower average order value as well. The market potential is a little bit lower because people are less buying online in Spain. The buying power from people is a little bit lower from the people that live there actually, and the ease of entry is high. It's still easy to enter this country, so to start your website. In Spain, the benefit is that you have lower advertising costs. I've seen results up to 10 cents per click for several fashion dropshippers. And also what we need to realize about the audience that are shopping in Spain is that they have frequently more interaction with your website. So on all the other countries, they can go 1, 2, or 3 times to your website and actually buy from you, for example, with some email marketing and remarketing from Google Ads. But in Spain, people really like to interact with your website, go there 5 times, 6 times on your website to check different information. And also it's very likely that you need to target them with social media, which is a bonus tip as well. So they have even more interaction with your website. They build trust, and then they can buy online from your website. The payment methods are mostly debit and credit card as well for Spain, so that makes it easy, such as the other countries. You don't need any Klarna right here, as it's not that popular so far. So that brings Spain number 7 in the list with 2 stars. So the conclusion of this whole list, I will implement a link in the description where I go over the checklist with all payment methods you need to offer. I will include a few bonus countries there as well that I didn't mention before, and I will keep that list up to date so you always knows what country to target for the highest profit from your e-commerce website. So in this list, I will implement more requirements that I present right here to maximize the profit you can get from your Google Ads dropshipping website. I will also include a few links to good dropshipping suppliers that can ship out to the countries that I previously explained are good for the European market. So make sure to check that list out in the description as well. And if you want to kickstart your Google Ads, make sure to use a proven agency that are working with multiple brands, such like us, because we are working with more than 45 e-commerce clients right now and scaling them mostly in Europe, but also in the United States, Canada, Australia, and other countries. So it's very important for Google Ads that you start off with the right campaign structure, that you need to connect all elements from your account the right way in order to make a profitable kickstart for Google Ads. If you have any questions, just press the link in the description and feel free to book a call with me so I can explain you further how we can help you scale in the listed countries of this presentation. And if you were not ready for whatever reason to go live in these countries, I will make sure to link the recommendation video to get your merchant center live so you can prepare already a little bit. And I'll also link the Google Ads tutorial that I made that you can help launching your first profitable Google Ads campaigns totally for free by yourself. My name is Robin, thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.